Everyone, good morning children. Welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well, and I hope you all are enjoying this classes also, right? So I'm here back with new video. See children, this is the cover page of our environmental studies textbooks which I have already shared, and even now I am sharing so that you can remember our textbook, right? By seeing this, you can take out your textbooks easily, children. Okay. So, students, already we have started our first lesson in our first video only, right? What was the lesson name? About me. And in that, we have seen one Mickey and Humpty Dumpty was giving the introduction, and one girl, she was giving her introduction, and in that we have filled our details also. And I hope you all have pasted your photograph in this box, right children? If you have not pasted, please tell your parents to paste it. So children, what we have seen in our last class, we have seen how to give the introduction. So we have written also our name and how old we are, what's our address, and what's our school name, and in which class you are studying, and what is the name of your best friend, and when is your birthday. All these details we have completed in our first class, right? Now let's come to the next page children. Turn your page. In these also we have done with our my favorite, right? What we have written, what's your favorite game, you have written there, like Ludo we have written, right? Animal, tiger, flower, rose, your favorite dish, biryani or pasta, and your favorite toy, teddy bear, etc., and your favorite TV channel, Pogo, Disney, etc., right? So we have completed this in our last video. Shall we move to our next bit, students? Right. So we are going to start the next bit, children. Okay. You can see here what we have to do in this next bit. Can you read that heading, children? Right. Read this heading, children. Okay. This heading. Can you do this? Right. Yes or no? So first of all, students, we have to observe that picture. Are you seeing 6 pictures have given over there, right? How many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 given. So what we have to do? We have to observe that picture and we have to write yes or no. What you have to write, children? You have to write yes or no. If you can do, अगर आप वो काम कर सकते हो, then you have to write yes. And if you cannot do that thing, then you have to write N-O, no. So what is the spelling here, students? Yes meaning yes spelling Y-E-S. Yes, right. Now what is the spelling for no? N-O. Can you repeat it? What is the yes spelling? Y-E-S. Right. Y-E. See children, we will write here. What we have to write? We have to learn first of all the spelling of yes and no. So this is the spelling of yes and this is the spelling of no, right? Now if you can do that thing, you have to write yes. If you cannot do that thing, that you have to write N-O, no. Okay children? So shall we fill in that? Right. Now students, you can observe the first picture. What that boy is doing in that picture? Boy is operating a computer, right? So can we operate the computer? As you know that we are very small, we are still in second class, right? हम बहुत छोटे हैं and हम second class में हैं. So यहाँ पर computer operate नहीं कर सकते हैं. Yes children, for that we need to learn so many things. So we cannot do this thing. So what you will write, student? We have to write over there no. What you will write? No. So what is the spelling, children, for no? What we have to write? N-O we have to write. Okay. N-O. And you can see, you can copy this spelling from that heading also. First blank, what you will write? You have to write N-O, no. Okay. No. Now observe the second picture, students. Second picture is the boy is doing painting. What he is doing there? He is doing painting. So we all can paint, right children? We can do painting, we can draw painting, we can fill the colors in this painting. So we can do this thing. So we should write here, yes. What you will write, children? Yes, you have to write yes. Next one, observe that picture, children. What he is doing? He is putting the garbage in a dustbin. So absolutely we can do this thing, right? So we have to write here yes. What you will write? Yes, we have to write. Next one, in fourth picture, what he is doing? He is riding a cycle, right? Bicycle. So can we do this? No, as we are very small, so we cannot do, right? No. In our next picture, what she is doing? She is throwing a chair, right? So we should not do, and we can't do that. So we have to write no. Now in our last picture, three boys, they are playing a carom, right? So carom board they are playing. So can we do this? Yes, we can easily do this thing. So we should say yes. Okay children. In our first, what we have written first picture? No. Second one, yes, we can paint. First one we cannot operate. So we have written no, and here yes. And third picture, we can throw the garbage also, yes. And in our fourth picture, we can ride a cycle. So we cannot ride a cycle, no. And in our fifth picture, we should not throw this chair. So, and we cannot, no. Last one, we can play carom board. So we have to write yes. I hope you all have finished, students, right? Come to our next bit, children. Our next bit is draw smiley or sad face for each. Now students, in this bit what we have to do? We have to read the sentences first, okay? वो sentence आपको पढ़ना है, and वो sentence पढ़कर अगर आप वो काम कर सकते हो, then you have to draw one smiley over there, okay? If you can't do that work, then we have to draw one sad face, okay? I'll show you how to draw. See here, this is face, right? And this is hat given, yes? This is hat like this. Now he is having his eyes also, right? So what we have to do, children? If we can do that work, then we have to draw one smiley. What you have to draw? We have to draw one smiley, okay, like this. If we cannot do that work, then what we have to do? We have to draw one sad face. अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो स्माइली ड्रॉ कीजिए, एंड आप वो काम नहीं कर सकते तो आपको इस तरह से sad face ड्रॉ करना है. Okay children, let's try. What he is saying? First one he is saying comb my hair. So first one, in this what you have to do? Can you comb your hair, children? If you can comb your hair, then you have to draw one smiley over there, okay, in this part, this one. Will you do that? Can you do? Comb my hair. Can you comb your hair? Yes, it is very easy, right children? When we regularly go to the school, or when we go to our go to someone else, so what we do? We comb our hairs, right? So yes, it is easy. We can draw one smiley over there. Fill it, students, right now. Take one pencil and do it. Yes, we can draw one smiley because we can comb our hair. Yes. Now what is the next one? Here in first one you have to draw smiley, children, okay? Yes. In second one, what is given? Come to the next one. Drive a car. Can you drive a car, students? No, as we are very small, so we cannot draw car, right? So we cannot drive a car. So what we have to do? We have to put here one sad face. What you will put? We have to put one sad face. In first one we have drawn one smiley because we can comb our hair. So we have done smiley, and here we have drawn a sad face because we cannot drive a car. Let's move to the third one, children. What is the third one? Sharpen my pencil. Can you sharpen your pencil? Yes, regularly we used to do that. So we can sharpen our pencil. So you have to draw here one smiley. Okay, children? So what we have done first one? First one, comb my hair means yes, you can do. So you have to draw one smiley. Okay. Second one, drive a car. No, we cannot drive a car. So we have to draw here sad face. And third one, yes, we can sharpen our pencil. So we have to draw one smiley. And third one, ride a horse. No, we cannot ride a horse. Hum horse? We cannot do this. So we have to draw here sad face. Polish my shoes. Yes, we can polish our shoes is very easily. So we have to draw one smiley because we can do this. Did you understand, children? Right. Shall we recall the first one? Yes. Comb my hair. Yes, we can do. So we have to draw one smiley face. Drive a car. No. So we have to draw one sad face. Sharpen my pencil. Yes, we can sharp our pencil. हम pencil को sharp कर सकते हैं, right? So we have to draw one smiley. Ride a horse? No, we cannot do this. So we have to draw one sad face. Polish my shoes? Yes, we can easily polish our shoes. So we have to draw one smiley, students. Okay, did you understand this? So you have to fill that all these things in these faces, children. Okay. Come to our next bit. Complete this invitation card. Now students, do you remember if somebody is having some function, or if any special occasion, or if someone's marriage is there, what we will get? We will get invitation, right? If our friend's birthday is also there, so what he will do? He will invite us. So how we have to invite to others? For that we need to prepare one invitation card, right students? अगर किसी को आपको invite करना हो तो हम उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? एक invitation card prepare करते हैं. Now we are going to learn this only, children. We are going to learn how to prepare the invitation card. So just to make it very easy, our writer, he has given one invitation card here, and that in this we have to fill some blanks, children. Okay. Dear, what is this invitation card? This is invitation card is for our birthday party. Our birthday party will be there, no? That birthday party invitations card it is. Now, dear, to whom we have to give this invitation? That person name we have to write here. Suppose that person, dear friend is there. Dear friend Rehan. What is this? Dear Rehan, please come to my birthday party at my home on. Now here in this second blank, you have to write your birth date. When he has to come to your birthday, that you have to write, children. Okay. In which blank you will write? In second blank. In first blank, what you were writing? Dear friend's name. You have to write friend name. Rehan, Ayan, and any other friend. And in second blank, what we have to write, children? In second blank, we have to write on which date he have to come. Okay. When he have to come on, suppose any date, 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd February, 3rd March, 5th March, whatever the date of your birthday, we have to write. Okay. And at what time he have to come? You have to come by 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. That you have to write, children. Okay. And here in last blank, you have to write your name. Who is inviting other? That person name should be written in this last blank. Okay. तो आप फर्स्ट में क्या लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट में आप वो नेम लिखेंगे जिसको आप इनवाइट कर रहे हो. एंड इन सेकेंड ब्लैंक, दिस ब्लैंक, व्हाट यू विल राइट? when on which date that person have to come, when is your birthday, that date you have to mention, children, in second blank. And in third blank, you have to write at what time they should come. That time you have to mention, children, in these blank. And now here last, you have to write who is inviting. What is your name? That person is inviting. You have to write here, children. Okay. I hope you all have understood this bit, sir. So in first bit we have written yes or no, the thing which we can and the thing we couldn't. And in our next bit we have drawn one smiley and sad face. Smiley for what we can do and a sad face what we cannot do. Okay. And in the last bit what we have done, we have prepared one invitation card. In this we have written the person name to whom we are inviting and the date on which they have to come and the timing when they have to come and who is inviting that person's name. Okay children, hope you all have understood today's class, right? Now children, what about the previous homework? Have you all done? Very good. Those who have done very well students, and keep doing your homework children regularly in all subjects. Okay, and some of you you are sending the homeworks on the WhatsApp group also. That is very nice to see all of you. You are doing your homework. Keep it up children. This is today's homework students. Okay, what is our today's homework? Today's homework is you have to write about your favorite. What is your favorite? You have to write children. As you know, in our lesson also we have done my favorite game, animal and all. So you have to recall this bit. What is first question student? First question is favorite game. What is your favorite game? You have to write. Example Ludo and chess etc. Favorite animal. Which is your favorite animal? You have to write there. Favorite flower. We have so many flowers. Right student? You have to write your favorite flower. And favorite fruit, favorite toy and favorite TV channel. As we have already finished all these things in our lesson only, right children? ये सारी चीज़ें हम अपने lesson में पढ़े हैं. So आपको उसी base पर ये अपना homework finish करना है. Okay children, hope you all have understood today's homework also, and you should complete your homework till our next class children. Okay, keep learning. Till then, I'll be back with the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day students.